How to identify or how to find a good advocate? I would put it in a simple term, simple language. If you apply common sense, you will find a good advocate. You can appoint a good advocate. Now, to apply common sense, you must understand what is common sense. Common sense is a sense which is common to everybody. You don't need to have technical education to have common sense. It is sense, like one of the five senses. It is a sense. Sense means you don't need to wait for the response. Somebody touches you, you will know immediately because it is a touch sense. So, sense works immediately. It is a reflex action of your brain, and you get the response immediately. Like when you place something on your tongue, you get the taste, sense of taste immediately. So, in the same way, you have common sense, but we rarely use it because of our belief systems, because of our knowledge, because of our arrogance, because of our ego. We don't use that common sense. But if you use common sense, you can find a good advocate. So, how to use common sense is the topic of this video. If you had been to a good doctor, you will understand what I am saying. How do you identify a good doctor? Advocate is also a doctor. In one sense, he is a doctor. A good doctor has patients waiting in the lounge. In the same way, a good restaurant has customers waiting in the lounge. In the same way, an advocate, a good advocate, will have clients waiting for him. He'll be busy. Either he will be busy or either he will be expensive. Not every busy advocate can be a good or a great advocate. So, if you apply common sense, for this you don't need to have any knowledge, you don't need to have any technical know-how, and this is not rocket science.